Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. I'm your host Sexy King. Guys, it's been a while I haven't been posting any video, but kind of busy with work and all that. So today is officially beach day with the family. So Romario is here, Ronaldo is here, Malika is here, Little and Mom, and the rest to be here. So guys, we're currently at Sunshine Beach. I'm tired as always I work and not take no rest. So stay tuned guys and see what's happening for today. Guys, right now Malika is afraid of the water, you see? If you want to make noise and problem. The guys are married them the out there, so basically right now. So we're on the party at the beach. There you go. A little birthday party and so forth are going. My you come out here, son. I'm washing you already from morning, you know. I don't even know why though, but I'm washing here and then come at beach after, you know that go? After re-washing here. But guys, we carry him in the water and one piece of disaster. And brother them carry him in the water, one piece of disaster. He's afraid of the ocean, the wild water. It's too much water because guys in love water. When I put him in a bath, he don't want to come out. But obviously, him see too much water and he's such a small person for such amount of water. When you throw it out here, we're going to take it up. Go for it. Go and get it. Run, go on. Run. So guys, I'm up on birthday party with another party today. And still the wheel out this up. Come for me. Come in, man. Come in, my youth. Where you throw it out here for? Kiss him. Guys, this is where I'm born in a sea mode. I don't know where I'm afraid of the water, but I'm afraid of the water for some reason. See that guys, that's all I want. I'm back in the mode. Everywhere I'm going back in the mode. And I'm not drinking the tea, you know, if everyone know long you have the tea in the mode. So I guess today is gonna be on the shore with me and Malika, because if Malika ain't go water, me can't go water. Because I have to be the one watching him. And I think when his grandma gets here, she's gonna be going into the water. Guys, it's a nice hot and sunny day, so yeah. These are the settings for the evening. We're going to chill on the beach and see what is what. Every week we plan to go see beach guys and I can't reach, so yesterday is the day for it. Yesterday is the day for it. Ronaldo coming. There's the guy. So I'm not carrying on feet. Yo, I'm not bringing on feet. I'm not bringing on feet. So what me I gonna eat? What? So what me I gonna eat? I'm not cooking nothing now. Nache, come here. Put up in defense already, you know you come provoking. Why you come for it, me? Romario, oh, I'm just also Romario. Get up now. So guys, here's Romario coming. Hello, hi. You're not gonna say hi. Why you with me up for? Yeah? Bring him got water. Mario, bring him got water for me. Bring him got water for me, Mario. Intro you there when you go for. Go and see. Go for. Go and get it. Go get your truck. Go. Tell him to bring it back. Call him. Tell him to bring it back. See the chuck float. Tell him to bring it back. Go for the chuck. You want me to follow you? You want me to follow you? You don't want me to follow you? Girl, you know. Eh? I try to put that them forward. They know. To put that them forward. After that, you know. What you know? Yes, sir. So guys, them reach now, so them then them go on a water. I'm like alone, I want to water. What kind of style, man? You want to water? No, we not come. We are going Sandgreen. No, we are going. We are going. We are going Sandgreen. So where's Shandy? Where's Shandy? Oh.
Yeah, get the coffee, yeah.
Them there, everybody got water away from me. Everybody got water away from me. Boy, stop down the brother. Not yet. This is all that I can do. I'm gonna be counting. Not yet. Not yet. Come on, hold the camera now. You get enough? Sorry. Yeah, so you have something around here, make you get uncovered. You fool. Look at this. This is the outcome of Malika and the water, people. Oh my God. Oh my God. This boy is afraid. If my phone drop, if my phone drop, woohoo! Hello, hi. Look at my children, them people. Look at kids. Don't do that. Look at this. You drop this, you pay for it. Really? This is a sign. Guys, it's just a wet water. Look, it's just a wet water. I got water wet, you know. Hey, before jumping up. Somebody, you know. The grass. For that grass. Guys, the water no feel bad no but why? The drop my foot you know where it go. Don't get now I feel the grass for my foot, you know. What? Yeah.
So I will put the tablet in the water.
Yeah, fluid.
It must stop.
No, tablet now catch water.
No, you don't put water.
You can't put flour in the water when you reach it.
Guys, finally we get him to go in that water. My, you wake up my phone, Jal.
It's still in there.
Finally, we get him to go in water. Hi, Najee. You know cool, huh? Yo, boy. Yo, boy. You're running out of show. Ah! You want to be in the camera? I have to say, I want to be in the camera. Our family now wake up yet. Our family now go wake up. I don't feel bad at all. That video. It's a fun. You will let me go now swim your boat, so go and swim go out.
No.
Swim go out, so. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you want to see in the next post. Anyways guys, now some secret to tell you about, but we're not ready yet. I'll do that one day by itself. Maybe the other one, I do another one, but you guys will find it. Grass!
Not inside.
Your grandma and my mother.
Shani said next week she can come and beach.
River, we are going next week.
I'm at River. Me and America say I'm go.
River, I'm going to go for you. You don't prefer river than beach?
Yeah, my sister and I beach.
You prefer river?
Yeah. No matter where she there, and no matter if it's just.
Top one in the night, you got you might play the water. That the part they don't like, no. You know like that part the way they dip.
But in like water.
You love water overall, yeah. That we say, because then you put in like bad pan.
Yeah, man, splash
and splash and go on. You know that wet and dry back later now.
Nah, blow dry.
You know, I'm not using it here.
You don't have to put it the direct heat pan in here. Just roll it out.
When I'm washing here, I just rub up with the alcohol and make it stay and blow dry myself.
Akira!
So I'm not wet up here when you come.
Stop!
You get water?
Now?
You get water?
Get water.
You catch water and come back. So I don't step for your shirt.
What are you going to do with the water?
Watch your son in there. Let me know too. I don't take them one bucket and make you use it and make one passion and a puppy.
You must be an idiot.
But show back that.
Show back in the gear.
It's not just smart and them, eh? Come take off the pampers.
Come here, baby.
Come here, come take off the pampers. Yeah, come take off the pampers. Pampers full of water, come. You flip over back fast.
I laugh him a lot now, he's not afraid. He's not afraid, no.
Want for water? Go and get the bottle, baby, go. You do it now, go there. So every time I put a foot forward and you see water come back in reverse. There's something wrong, you call it sand soft. Feel one weird on your foot. So if for the water, you now go out the feed buckle. Here come. It's a sign. Don't go out there, brother. Don't go out there at all. Watch out. You go down, you put say water gone, watch out. And also, why something else, yeah, man. You say, come, give me. Who? I'm feeling one. Anyway.
No, look what me say, me another that's standing here. Jesus, please.
That boy, something else. Anyway, in Japan tonight, you must sleep. Guys, you find a picnic them cars and go and dig up sand and buckets. Anyways, he picked me up there at the same time. You don't got no water, so can't fight with him. I'm having one time, guys, so I'm gonna have him one time. This is all I can do for the day because Malika ain't going to the water. And he can't manage the noise, so I'm gonna make him stay on land. And I think he found a friend, guys. He found a friend. I'm hungry. I don't know what I'm gonna eat for dinner because I didn't cook. Oh, she went for water for him. Guys, you see how kids make friends easily. See the guys, the rest of kids them joining with Malachi right now, so I think this is gonna be the topic of the day. It's gonna be beach day. Just officially it's a beach day. Oh my god. Show for them cramp up, man. I'm gonna even sit down on a comfortable seat. So guys, see that bamboo? I'm sitting down on a bamboo. One single bamboo, like crazy, though. I never lost the slippers, you know, boy. I think I am hungry. Gum gum. Hi, gum gum. Guys, I'm home in time because I'm tired of the water, so my skin start itch. So I think I need to go home. My mom not reach it, so I'm going home. I'm going home. I shall be leaving. Ajay. 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 Hello. You're not ready? Ajay. You're not ready? It's that sign, so I'm already. Each of look at people. Ah, that's cool. Can I scratch me? Ask them where the match up there for. Come, me ready. Come, me ready. You ready, yeah, come? Charlie Moat look like a strip. Charlie Moat look like